Okay, it's the final piece of art. Just finish it with the cemented, except this. Hello, my friends. So today I would like to talk to another 7-star cases. Recently, I did not pay attention about 4 months cases, about a lot of big party cases, and then we got some problem, which is a fragile. Which is to lose the money with the patient, doctor, and laboratory side. So we have to redo it. So this video, it's a nice case though. We did not redo it, this case, but alerts me, and then I have to show you guys to the why I made the 7-star case. I'm talking about 4 months implant cases, which is everybody does right now, zirconia, whatever they want, a denture, whatever they made it. But we made this 7-star with the metal frame designs. So Corey will going to show them the metal design here, and then we're grinding this, and then we opaque this, and then we make individual, and then all 6 unit cases put together, and then we finalize it. The reason why we made the 7-star for 4 months implant cases, this is the best, because it's mobility, and then underneath is a frame design already. So we cover with a full wide span pontic, especially cantilever here too. Okay, so that's the main thing. So after that, we made the crown and the cement really carefully done. So I want to give it to you, which is the top of the line, which is world class 4 months cases. Not like it, someone did it, the zirconia, but no, this is much lighter and more thin. And the pontic is more hygiene and then more longevity. Absolutely great. I think you love this video too. Anyway, this case is from Dr. John Vargas in New York, and his case. So appreciate it. You guys keep watching me. And, oh, by the way, don't forget to Patreon my hands-on pages. A lot of people want to see me talk to them. So I made a couple video already. Actually, one video, the full 1-hour video, is very intense. Okay, so even though you don't have to join it, so you can see the video so many times and slow, fast, whatever. So you become the great laboratory technician. So it's coming up Tuesday. This Tuesday, about 10 o'clock. Now, I couldn't explain about how about the technology. So it looks like you side by with me. So my crew will going to videotape individual, everything. So join it, $25, and you'll get $1,000. It's education, better than anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.
Star. Got the clips here. You can see they're wide enough to wear. Go down here. How many implants there? 5. Big cantilever here.
Underneath potty. Yeah, there's a reason. Good.
So here you have the 2 implants that are already in the mouth. So those are blocked out a lot.
Good.
Pretty much there. Gonna mill it tonight, chrome cobalt framework.
Alright. Facial? Higher?
If we want to bring those in there, maybe we can bring anything you need to a little bit.
That's good. Okay, so 7-star rhythm frame. Okay. Touch up, down, like the design so far. And then this is a wax shrine we put together later. The top. Then this is occlusion, so we can put together. Okay. It's coming up. See the inside? This is crazy. Great. Awesome. So now this is halfway done. Here is the separations, which is a preliminary we made the wax try in, and then this is a 7-star case. Okay, so it almost designed it. It's tough case. Okay, underneath the photo and design, contour, detail. Okay, you see the occlusion. Alright, decrease. Now let's move it. Just like this. Like that. Here side. Like this. Is it amazing? Alright, it's beautiful, right? Great. I was halfway done with the design, then finished the Citon 7-star cases with individual looking. I'm trying to make from K9 to K9 CJ vocal corridor. And then this is good guidance for provisionals. Okay, so we will going to make individual looking. So then this one I have to check. This we can get this. Pretty much is lower bite. We're trying to get the lingual contact. Alright, this is great. Coming soon. Okay, so this is underneath 7-star case. Trying to make narrow and long pani. This is possible. Fit. It is excellent fit. Okay, so the final before we go to cement. Okay, so 2 teeth is done. Okay, it's beautiful. Now go to the lateral. Okay, go to K9. So lateral. K9. Okay. Premolar. So far, so great. Yeah, get this. Beautiful. Tissue. Beautiful. Okay. And then premolar, which is all. Well, this one is covered. We're not going to cement it, but doctor will going to cement it after we took down with the temporary cement. And then this is smaller. So there's a reason to make 7-star, is to make long span bridge, make thin, aesthetic is possible, contact is right there, everything, right? So all mono here. Now here is the layer, we finish it, okay? Now let's go to cementation. Cementing here is done. Right? Beautiful. Okay, great. Okay, it's the final piece of art. Just finish it with the cemented, except this. The reason is the sticking out the facially, so aesthetically it's not pleasing. So doctor have to poke down, and then he can cement, a temporary cement top of that. Okay, but our job is done. Like this, so everything's good. Sealed it, cemented, everything's good. Underneath, that's good. Okay, so here is the spinals. Give it to the patients. The best smile, like that. Alright. So I can steal here a little bit. Okay. Here's his occlusion. Force. right? So you can take it off and then I put steam it. Alright, it's beautiful. 7-star. That's going on. Thank you.
Subscribe to Luke Kahn's Patreon for ongoing valuable information for dentists from a lab side perspective. For just $25 a month, you will receive live training online with Luke Kahng, as well as live chats, Q&A sessions, and ongoing dialogue exclusively via his Patreon. Subscribe today